Hello children, I am Suchitra here. Welcome to our class second. Subject English. Today we are going to study about the poem What Makes You Laugh.
So, children, what makes you smile? Something, some joke, something which makes you happy. You start smiling, laughing. So, there is no reason for you to laugh. If your mind is happy, you start laughing for no reason. But if your mind is sad, you keep mum. You don't open your mouth. But when you laugh, all your tension goes away. So let's see in this poem what is there about being happy. Okay, what makes you laugh? That's the name of the poem. What makes you laugh, my little lass, from morning until noon? I saw a dappled donkey throwing kisses at the moon. What makes you cry, my little lass, and get your eyes so red? I saw a cruel gardener cut a poor old cabbage head. What makes you run, my little lass? You're almost out of breath. A pumpkin made a face at me and scared me half to death. So now I have just recited the poem. I'll be explaining what a girl, lass means a girl, why she laughs, why she cries, and why she runs away. We will know why. What is the reason for her to laugh? What is the reason for her to cry? And what is the reason for her to run away? Let me explain to you each stanza. What makes you laugh, my little lass? So the poet asked the girl, what makes you laugh, the little girl? What is the reason? Why are you laughing so much from morning until noon? So from morning to noon she's been laughing and laughing. What happened? What's the reason? So what she says, I saw a dappled donkey throwing kisses at the moon. So she saw a donkey with the dots, okay. Donkey, he was throwing kisses, he was kissing the moon. So, throwing kisses at the moon. So she just looked at the donkey and so she felt so funny, and then she started laughing from morning till the noon. So she has seen this donkey in the evening, that's why she could see the moon. So she saw that donkey throwing kisses at the moon, and from that time she's laughing. So from morning to noon she's been laughing. Okay. Then again poet asks her, what makes you cry, my little lass, and get your eyes so red? Oh my God, why are you crying? Why your eyes are so red? When you cry, your eyes become red, children. Why are you crying? Why your eyes are red? I saw a cruel gardener cut a poor old cabbage head. So she says she saw a gardener who chopped off the head of the cabbage. So she felt very bad because the cabbage was growing so big, and this gardener, he came and he chopped off the head of the cabbage. So she felt very bad. What makes you run, my little lass? You almost lost out of breath. So again the poet asks her, what happened? Why are you running? You just lost your breath. What happened? So she says, a pumpkin made a face at me and scared me half to death. So she says, a pumpkin, it's a big pumpkin, and it had a very it made the face, it looked very dangerous, and it had a very dangerous face, and she got scared looking at the pumpkin and scared me half to death. She was so scared that she felt like she'll die off. So you understood in this poem how a girl For a small thing she laughs, and for a small thing she cries, and for a small thing she gets scared. So what makes you laugh? You can also tell one joke, and if you feel that you like to tell the jokes, next time when you come online you can share the jokes with your friends and you can make others laugh. So it's a beautiful poem, that is what makes you laugh. Try to tell these jokes to your family members and see how many people will laugh at the joke. Tell a good joke and stay happy. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe. Till then, next class. Bye-bye.